Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your BeReal notification issue. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to the setting of your iPhone. So open your iPhone and go on settings. Once you go on settings, scroll all the way down until you see the BeReal option. So scroll until you see BeReal. As you guys can see, my BeReal is over here right below Authenticator. Click on it. So sometimes you have turned off BeReal's notification like from your iPhone and you haven't given it the permission to provide you the notification. That's why it's going to show you this. So once you're inside BeReal over here, what you want to do is click on advanced. Once you're inside over here, you should see your notification option. Once you see the notification option, make sure you allow it. Alright, once you're inside here and allow the notification option, what you want to do is close the setting and open BeReal again. Once you open BeReal again, your problem should be fixed. But let's say your problem is still not fixed. In that case, what you need to do is make sure to check if there is any update for BeReal, because if you haven't updated your BeReal for a really long time as well, it causes this problem. So update your BeReal. And even after updating your BeReal, your problem is not fixed, in that case you need to delete your BeReal app and reinstall it again like this. Hold on your BeReal app, click on delete app, click on delete, and your BeReal will be deleted. Now you need to re-download it again. After you do that, your notification issue should be fixed. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more BeReal related videos in the future. I will see you guys next time.